you as well to the platform. Okay, I want to make sure some of you understand this, okay, how the platform is managed. Okay, any new trades that are pinned by me or a verified member are going to be here. So as you can see, yesterday's analysis that we went through during the live session, here are our signals: Euro USD, Euro CAD, Aussie USD, USD CAD, CAD Yen, Pound USD. Now, of course, you can go and you can view the analysis from here, watch the video, and as you can see, by the way, I actually use the pen. I'm able to use the pen here in this video,
be a tremendous amount of self,
which I'm hoping to do for the live sessions, and we'll figure that out eventually. Okay, so you can view the signals here, of course, and then you can go ahead and do it for all the others. But what if you want to see all the past signals? What if you want to see all signals? Well, you just go to signals, and then what are you going to see here? On the left side, you see traffic lights, you see all signals. Okay, you won't have signal management. That's just for me, okay, as the owner of the site. This won't be here, but you'll have this. Click on all signals. Okay, go down, check out all the signals. Of course, back here, you might find situations where there's a bunch of stuff here. This is a bunch of testing when we were doing some testing. So really just the first 3 pages or first 2 pages, I would say. But you can see all the signals. You can view them this way, okay, just like you did on the home page. All right. Also, I strongly suggest getting comfortable with the tools section. Understand, okay, so you don't need anymore to go from different website to different website. The whole point is to have all the data on Gentleman Markets. Okay, so here we see what's going on in terms of announcements. Okay, important announcements are marked in red, and lesser important announcements are in yellow. So what we see here, CPI QQ, okay, for Australia, that's red, so that's important, whereas this yellow is less important. You may even have some green, which means that it really doesn't affect the market. Okay, so that's good to use. All right, additionally here you have market overview. That's just if you want to understand, okay, quickly who's the largest gainers, who's the weaker, the ones that are weakening. Okay, market data will help you do the same as well. Forex rates lets you know what's moving, what's not, okay? And also the heat map. So for example, New Zealand Euro, if I'm down here at the bottom left, New Zealand Euro right now is the largest gainer at a 0.61%, okay? So for example, if we go here and we take that and we go to Euro Kiwi, okay, well, what we'll see here on the lower time frame should be is, well, maybe it's a little bit lagging, so I need to figure that out. We need to figure that out. Is that line? I mean, it's coming from TradingView. Oh, it's Kiwi Euro. My bad. Not Euro Kiwi. Okay, that's why. Okay, so it's Kiwi Euro, not Euro Kiwi. So if we wanted to go to Kiwi Euro, okay, that would be right here, and that would show on this. That would show on our screen. That's the negative drop right here. Sorry. Okay, that's that negative move. So we see, okay, so what would I do here if I'm trading? What do I want to do here when I'm starting my day? Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to come to Gentleman Markets. You want to check the home page. You want to see, okay, which market hours are open. Okay, currently we have the New York and the London market hours open. London's closing in 23 minutes. New York's open for another 5 hours. Okay, check out any new signals. All right, then I want to see any new live sessions. Okay, so for example, after today's live session, it will be posted here, right? And then what I want to do is what? First off, chat room, okay? Say hi, say something. I know right now it says channels. This is confusing, but it will be moved to chat room, okay? Use this chat room. We're no longer using Slack, okay? Go check out more signals if you want, not only by me, but from other verified members. Again, view full analysis, all that stuff. And by the way, I hope you guys like that I've been asking verified members to use the same charts, because what happens is many people have different types of charts. So I've said, hey guys, this is the type of platform, this is how I want it to look in terms of when you do your analysis for Gentleman Markets, so things are clear and concise and nobody's getting confused because one guy has got a dark chart, one guy's got EMAs and Fibonacci's, one guy's got this. I like clear. I require no indicators, okay? I want you all to understand how to trade and trade properly, okay? Then what you can do, of course, is go to tools. That's the next step. As mentioned, I would check out this. Right now is probably for me the most important in terms of what's going on. Okay, we're seeing, okay, Euro Kiwi is the weakest. All right, and what's moving on here? I'm seeing, okay, what's moving? I'm getting clear fundamental, clear direction, right? So I'm saying, okay, Euro Kiwi right now is negative 5.5. It's the weakest of all the pairs in terms of the move to the downside. So if I'm on Euro Kiwi, am I going to look for a move to the upside? No, only to the downside. Use this to your advantage. Okay, additionally, this is also from TradingView. We are going to be adding, again, the strength indicator. That's going to be from, right now we're working on that with all our partner brokers on the back end stuff. Again, thank you, Sam and Sharif, for working on that stuff. But here from TradingView. And what's this? This is the rating, okay? This is interesting. So for example, if we're looking at Euro Kiwi, right? So we know Euro Kiwi is extremely weak. So the rating is a sell. Okay, so if you're not clear, what you'll see here is the rating is a sell. And what that means is what TradingView is doing is they're accumulating entries from brokers that are connected to their accounts, and they're assuming the sell. But also, I believe it has to do with people that are working for them, you know, on the back end. I'm not 100% sure. Okay. And anyways, then what you do? What's next? Go to Idea Hub. Check it out. All right. Again, this is our artificial intelligence. The more you post on the chat room, the more we post on Signals, the more blogs that are posted, it starts to understand what we want and what we like. Okay. So now it's getting, okay, this is a Forex market. We're getting Forex posts, related posts. Take a look, okay? And again, what I love is you can view a quick summary before you open the whole thing. Let's say you don't want to open up and read 30 pages. You can view a quick summary of what this is about before you decide to spend time to read the articles. After you're done with that, take a look at the news section. This is FXG Market Research Team. Who's FXG Market Research Team? University students, mostly financial club people that want to be involved, get something down on their resume, call this an internship or some crap like that, even though it's the easiest internship in the world. What are they doing? They're grabbing articles that are related to what we would like, and they're posting this. Okay, so again, here is the Pfizer vaccine rolls off, 48-hour stimulus decline. Okay, again, Pfizer election countdown, COVID, and you know the top is the newest, and as you go down, it gets older, and then the blogs. Okay. Which is of course not only anything that I post, but anything that a verified member wants to post. Okay, and as far as and here's CMS, which is content management system. Okay, so that's not something you're gonna have. That's for me to play around in the back end. Now I just also want to make it clear that we're not done yet. This platform will not only aesthetically look different in a few months, it's going to have a lot more value. Okay, so even though we are live now, and we will only for current members, but we will be live to the public on Monday, it's important to understand that this platform will consistently get better. I mean, no company launches at its 100% potential from day one. We launch, we give it the best we got. We add on what we believe will be important and add value. We figure out what's working, what's not. We adjust and we continue and we repeat and we recycle. That's what you do when you grow a business. This platform is fueled by you, which means that what you want is what you will get. So if you say, hey Dave, this is what will work for me, then great, we will make sure and we will add that, or for us, meaning that if the collective group agrees in terms of a value add, okay? Additionally, one more thing I forgot to mention, make sure to utilize the rates up top, okay? These are live rates, by the way. So if you want to click on a pair, go ahead, click on it, and it'll take you down to TradingView, which has some more info, okay? So you'll see technicals in terms of what it is, maybe some other traders. But here's the thing with TradingView, okay? When you're on here and you're looking at this guy, for example, like Vasily or whatever, these guys are, a lot of times they're not good traders, okay? I don't know that guy personally. I don't really review. I'm going to start a show called the Ask Dave Show where I go through these trades, but for most part on TradingView, on the idea section, the trades are actually quite terrible. And don't let these people that have a large following confuse you, because what happens is people just want signals or lots of posts doesn't mean that the quality is good. Okay, so I would be very careful about TradingView. What the difference is with Gentleman Markets is that the verified members that are part of the team, they're profitable traders with historical data that I'm able to view, that have gone through my due diligence to make sure that they're actually good. Okay, so just be careful with TradingView. A lot of people believe that to become a TradingView trader, you have to be a professional. You can be anybody. It can be you, right? You could be the one posting on TradingView, right? Even though if you don't know nothing. So just be aware of that. I just want to make that clear. Okay, so that's the benefit of the platform, and now we're going to take it to the charts.